We are on chapter 2, page 57, and we're working on multiplying fractions. And the first one we're looking at is the example in the unlock the problem. It's 1/2 times 4/5. And remember, with multiplying fractions, it's pretty simple. You just times the top numbers and you times the bottom numbers. So we take 1 times 4 and we get 4, and we take 2 times 5 and we get 10. So we have 4/10. Now we do know that 4 and 10 are both even numbers, so we can take something out of even numbers. So we're going to go ahead and divide by 2 on the top, and we're going to get 2, and we're going to divide by 2 on the bottom and get 5. And if we take 1/2 times 4/5, we get 4/10, but then we put it in simplest terms, the answer is going to be 2/5. That would be 2/5. One other quick way of thinking of it, if you don't like to divide by 2, you can always cut it in half. If you have even on top of even, 1/2 of 4 is 2, 1/2 of 10 is 5. A little bit trickier for multiplying fractions is if we have mixed numbers. So I'm going to go right on into mixed numbers. We have to turn 1 and 1/4 into an improper fraction. We do that by timesing 4 times 1, and then we add 1. 4 times 1 plus 1 is going to give us 5, and that's going to be 5 all over 4. And we're going to do the same thing on this one. 1 times 3 plus 2. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5, all over 3. And then we would simply follow the same rules that we did on our previous problem. Multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. And that's going to be 5 times 5 is 25, and 4 times 3 is 12. And again, we do not want to leave it as an improper fraction, which 25/12 would be an improper fraction. We want to put it in simplest terms. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to see how many times 12 will go into 25. So 25 goes in the box, 12 outside the box. 12 times 2 is 24. And then we subtract 25 minus 24, and we get 1. The 1 goes on top, and the 12 is on the bottom. So our answer for 1 1/4 times 1 2/3, our answer in simplest terms would be 2 1/12. That would be 2 1/12. Once again, this is multiplying fractions.